Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your profile picture on character.ai account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply go to character.ai and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official website of character.ai. Now what I want to do to change my profile picture is simply look at the left side of the screen. At the very bottom of the screen, you will find your profile name. Simply click on it. Now something like this will open up. Simply click on this profile button right here. Now in this page, what you want to do is click on the settings button. You will find a pop-up will open up like this. And from here, what you want to do is click on this pen-like icon right here. This is your profile image. Simply click on it. Now it's going to give you two options. Either you can generate an image or simply upload one. The choice is up to you. But for now, I only want to upload an image. I'm going to click on this option right here. This is the image that I want to upload. I'm going to click on this and select open. It's going to take some time to load. And after everything's done, simply hit on the save button right here. Now let's again look back our profile. I'm going to refresh the page. And there you have it, guys. That's how you change your profile picture on character.ai. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you change your profile picture on character.ai. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.